Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you know that we have completed the 11th chapter of the Qaida lesson in previous video. So today we are going to start the 12th chapter of the Qaida lesson. Kindly stay tuned with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before starting the 12th chapter of the Qaida lesson, here is some instruction about this lesson which we have to follow. The first one is that how the shad sign looks like. It has three edges. The second question is the letter which contains this shad sign, what we call it. It's called mushaddad letter. And the third question is about this shad sign is that how many times it have to read. So answer is it have to read 2 times. And the last is how to read this shad sign. We have to read it strongly, like we have to read with it strong sound. So stay tuned with us. Now we are going to start the exercise of this lesson. So first word is Hamza ba fata ab, ba fata ba. Ba. As I told you that the shad sign letter relate with its previous letter or going to relate with next letter. If there is no next letter, then we have to pronounce only its sound second time. Like Hamza ba fata ab, ba fata ba, ab ba. Simply it is. The next word is Hamza ba fata ab, ba kasra bi, ab bi. Next is Hamza ba fata ab, ba damabu, ab bu. So the collectively the sound will be abba, abbi, abbu. Next is Hamza ba kasra ib, ba fata ba, ibba. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba kasra bi, ibbi. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba damabu, ibbu. So collectively it will be ibba, ibbi, ibbu. The next is Hamza ba dama ub, ba fata ba, ubba. Hamza ba dama ub, ba kasra bi, ubbi. Hamza ba dama ub, ba dama bu, ubbu. Collectively it will be ubba, ubbi, ubbu. So these examples was along with the simple fatha kasra and dhamma. Now we practice it along with the double fatha kasra and dhamma. So the next word is Hamza ba fatha ab, ba double fatha ban, abban, abban. So the next is Hamza ba fata ab, ba kasra double kasra bin, ab bin. Next is Hamza ba dama fata ab, ba double dama bun, ab bun. Collectively it will be abban, abbin, abbun. Now along with kasra. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double fata ban, ibban. Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double kasra bin, ibbin. Next is Hamza ba kasra ib, ba double dama bun, ibbun. Collectively it will be ibban, ibbin, ibbun. The next is along with dama. Hamza ba dama, ub ba double fatha ban, ubban. Next is Hamza ba dama, ub ba double kasra bin, ubbin. Next is Hamza ba dama, ub ba double dama bun, ubbun. Collectively it will be ubban, ubbin, ubbun. So this example for the letter ba is completed. So now we start the next letter, that is ta. Hamza ta fatha at, ta fatha ta, at ta. Hamza ta fatha at, ta kasra ti, at ti. Hamza ta fatha at, ta dama tu, at tu. Collectively it will be at ta, at ti, at tu. So the next is Hamza ta kasra it, ta fatha ta, it ta. Hamza ta kasra it, ta kasra ti, it ti. Hamza ta kasra it, ta dama tu, it tu. Collectively it will be itta, itti, ittu. So as I told that we have to read it with strong sound. The next is along with dama. Hamza ta dama ut, ta fatha ta, utta. Hamza ta dama ut, ta kasra ti, utti. Next is Hamza ta dama ut, ta dama tu, uttu, utta, utti, uttu. Next is Hamza ta fatha at, ta double fatha tan, attan. Hamza ta fatha at, ta double kasra tin, attin. Hamza ta fatha at, ta dama double dama tun, attun, attan, attin, attun. So the next is Hamza ta kasra it, ta double fatha tan, ittan. Hamza ta kasra it, ta double kasra tin, ittin. Hamza ta kasra it, ta double dama tun, ittun. Collectively it will be ittan, ittin, ittun. Next is Hamza ta dama ut, ta double fatha tan, uttan. Hamza ta dama ut, ta double kasra tin, uttin. The next is Hamza ta dama ut, ta double dama tun, uttun. So collectively it will be uttan, uttin, uttun. So the next letter is Tha. Hamza tha fatha at, tha fatha tha, at tha. Hamza tha fatha at, tha kasra thi, at thi. Hamza tha fatha at, tha dama thu, at thu. Collectively it will be at tha, at thi, at thu. Next is Hamza tha kasra is, tha fatha tha, is tha. Hamza tha kasra is, tha kasra thi, is thi. Hamza tha kasra is, tha dama su, is su. Collectively it will be is tha, is thi, is su. Next is Hamza tha dama us, tha fatha tha, us tha. Hamza tha dama us, tha kasra si, us si. Hamza sa dama us sa dama su ussu ussa ussi ussu. Next is Hamza sa fatha as sa double fatha san as san. Hamza sa fatha as sa double kasra sin as sin. Hamza sa fatha as sa double dama sun as sun as san as sin as sun. Next is Hamza sa kasra is sa double fatha san is san. Hamza sa kasra is sa double kasra sin is sin. Hamza sa kasra is sa double dama sun is sun is san is sin is sun. Next is Hamza sa dama us sa double fatha san us san. Hamza sa dama us sa double kasra sin us sin. Hamza sa dama us sa double dama sun us sun. So collectively it will be us san us sin us sun. So the next letter is Jim. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim fatha ja ajja. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim kasra ji ajji. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim damaju ajju ajju. Hamza Jim kasra ij Jim fatha ja ijja. Hamza Jim kasra ij Jim kasra ji ijji. Hamza Jim kasra ij Jim damaju ijju. Collectively it will be ijja ijji ijju. Next is Hamza Jim dama uj Jim fatha ja ujja. Hamza Jim dama uj Jim kasra ji ujji. Hamza Jim dama uj Jim damaju ujju. Collectively it will be ujja ujji ujju. Now along with double fatha. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim double fatha jan ajjan. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim double kasra jin ajjin. Hamza Jim fatha aj Jim double dama jun ajjun. Collectively it will be ajjan ajjin ajjun. Hamza Jim kasra ij Jim double fatha jan ijjan. Hamza Jim Jim kasra ij Jim double kasra jin ijjin. Hamza Jim kasra ij Jim double dama jun ijjun. Collectively it will be ijjan ijjin ijjun. Here the Qaida lesson asks us to read along with other letters continuously. So one more example for the letter Jim is along with Dhamma. That will be Hamza Jim Dhamma Uj. Jim double Fatah Jan Uj Jan. Hamza Jim Dhamma Uj. Jim double Kasra Jin Ujjin. Similarly, the last example for the letter Jim is Hamza Jim Dhamma Uj. Jim double Dhamma Jun Ujjun. After completing similarly like this, we have to practice all these each and every letter without spelling, like that will be from here to till here. For the letter Sa, I am just reading for you here. So that will be Assa, Assi, Assu, Issa, Issi, Issu, Ussa, Ussi, Ussu, Assan, Assin, Assun, Issan, Issin, Issun, Ussan, Ussin, Ussun. Similarly, we have to do for the other letters also. So inshallah in next video we will learn about the exercise of this Shadda sign in next lesson, that is 13. Kindly stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty Allah, we have completed the 12th chapter of the Qaida lesson. Inshallah, in next video, we will learn about the exercise of the Shadda sign. Kindly stay tuned with us and improve your Holy Quran along with Tajweed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.